All right, render price update here on the daily chart to start us off with. After our swing lows into the red zone in August, got out of there quick like we should have. And you can see this flip level, this yellow line here. Previous swing lows from early 2024, and that was lost support, flipped to resistance. Resistance again in late August on the after the nice pump out of the $3 range. We got immediately back to 7. Great. Consolidation, right? And then now a significant move, break above the 0.5 fib, right? And that same yellow line. This is a big move for render, right? This is much more significant than anything that has happened since really the breach in July of that level. So now we're finding resistance at the 618. No surprise there. That's typically what you're going to do. So now we're focusing on our next kind of level is double digits, $10. It wouldn't be shocking if we, consolidate here for a little bit. Ideally, if we come down, we'd want to hold this level as support, right? Previous support, new resistance, hopefully flipping this back to support. So that number, and let's even draw this as a zone. So we can go down in here, like let's look at previous range lows. We have some range highs here. See this zone? So previous peak here, previous peaks here. Lows here, high there. So somewhere between like 710, 715, all the way down to like 670. If we come down, still be absolutely bullish. What we wouldn't want to see is a close back under. Certainly that low would be a big warning. 655. The low close, 659 looks like the exact close. So be wary of that. Let's go back to our candles here. That low close, that would be the kind of the abandoned ship call. Because you see this rising yellow line, this 21 EMA, that would be the spot. So you don't want to be going back below the 21 EMA. Certainly after a breakout, that'd be a big warning. But anything between 680 on the lows, like or higher, is absolutely great and normal. Definitely the next higher target, 786 on the fib, just above $10. You can see also previous range highs there. Then let's zoom out to the weekly, see if we can spot anything else here. Consolidation around that the 100 week, that blue line. Look at how low we got here. That was the red zone. That was a little scary back in there, but at least crisis averted. And now we're actually working on like almost a 3 white soldiers pattern, but we'd have to see this confirm with a close. It'd really ideally have to be above the 618. Let's see the previous two. So 27% move, 25% move. Ideally, you'd want to match that with very little to no upper wick. So let's see what the start. What would be our ideal kind of close? 880, 890. If we can do that this week, that would be kind of a pretty textbook 3 white soldiers pattern. That would lead to a reversal of this downtrend and a sharp reversal. And we'd be looking for much higher prices pretty quickly if we can do that. But that's a tall ask. So we'll wait and see if we can get that 880. Remember, mark your calendars. We'd like to see that. 3 on a weekly chart. Hell yeah. Now let's look at our fib extension. Right, we could see our $14 high here. How high could we potentially go with render? The 1618's at 33. Current prices, we're looking at still a paltry 4x. We're not here for that. How about the 2618, 140? That's a little bit of a reach. Could we potentially get there? Probably not. I wouldn't get your hopes that high. So let's go look at our fib extension from our previous swing low to high. Do we have anything just above here? We have the $48 level. So anywhere in that zone, if you're looking to big time into render and you're looking to exit, well, that would be a pretty decent area of interest. You'd also want to be checking your market sentiment. You check your indicators. Let's just go take a look at those. Right, we're just getting started here. Strength just picking up to back to early April levels where we started to lose our strength. Right, momentum, big cross here. Right, this is a big signal of render making some big moves here. Big trigger buy just earlier in November, really just last week. And now we're seeing some follow through to that. So big sign here on your MACD crossing up. MFI, right, confirming with volume. That's another great sign. Everything pretty much in agreement here. So looking strong. Next target 10, and then might as well just nuke it straight to 30. So we'll do more updates on render. Hopefully this helps. and I'll see you on the next one.